10th Standard Science, Unit 4, Magnetism and Electromagnetism, Evaluation Questions and Answers. Okay. First formulator, choose the correct answer. A magnet attracts iron and steel. Iron and steel. Option D is the correct answer. Second question. One of the following is an example for a permanent magnet. Neodymium. This is one of the permanent magnet. And then third question. The south pole of a Bohr magnet and the north pole of a U-shaped magnet will attract each other because both poles are unlike. Unlike poles are attract and like poles are repel. Here unlike poles, so that option A is the correct answer. Attract each other. Okay. And then fourth question. The shape of the earth magnetic field resembles that of an imaginary Bohr magnet. So this is the shape of the Bohr magnet, rectangular shape. One pole is north, another pole is a south. This is the center point. If it is the length, the total length is 5 centimeter. One pole, north pole to center point is represented small l, and center point to south pole represented small l. So L into L, 2L, and one more L is here. So 2L. So totally the length of the magnet is 5 centimeter. So from the pole north to center point occupied 2.5 centimeter, and the center point to south pole also 2.5 centimeter. So totally the length of the magnet represented in 2L is equal to 5 centimeter. This is a Bohr magnet. Fifth question. MRI stands for magnetic resonance imaging. And then sixth question. A compass is used for plotting magnetic lines, detection of magnetic field, and navigation. The answer is all of this. Second formulator, fill in the blanks. The magnetic strength is dash at the poles, maximum at the poles. So just imagine this is one of the Bohr magnet, rectangle shape. So one pole is north and another pole is south. So in the poles region, the strength of the magnetic field is maximum, maybe in south or north. Okay. And then second question, a magnet has two magnetic poles. One is north, another one is south. It has two poles. Okay. And then third question, magnets are used in dash for generating electricity, dynamos. Fourth question, dash are used to lift heavy iron pieces, electromagnet. Whenever switch on the electricity, so that time only the ion is converted into magnet. So that which is called electromagnet. So if we switch off the electricity, so the electromagnet is converted into ordinary ion. Okay, ordinary soft ion like that. Okay, so this is electromagnet. Fifth question, a freely suspended Bohr magnet is always pointing along the geographical north and south direction. Okay, and then sixth question, like poles of the magnet repel while unlike poles attract to each other. And seventh question, the force of attraction of a magnet is dash at the poles. So this is a repeated question. So maximum at the poles. The poles, the force also maximum. Okay. Eighth question, nowadays magnets are used to generate dash in dynamos, current in dynamos. Ninth question, magnets are used in computers in storing devices such as hard disks. They are used in dash and dash cards also, debit and credit cards also. Match the following. Magnetite, natural magnet, a tiny pivoted magnet, compass box. A tiny pivoted magnets used in the compass box, magnetic compass box. Cobalt, ferromagnetic material. Closed curves, magnetic lines. So consider this is one of the Bohr magnet. This is one of the Bohr magnet. One pole is north, another pole is south. So the magnetic lines of force using the compass box, magnetic compass box, using the magnetic compass box, if you draw the magnetic lines of force, the magnetic lines of force started from north pole to south pole. So which makes one closed curve from north to south. So this is a closed curve. magnetic lines of force is a closed curves. And then bismuth is a diamagnetic material. Fourth Roman letter, draw and label the diagram of AC generator. This is AC generator. Here N and S, the magnetic poles, the poles of the magnet. And here in the center, in between the poles of the magnet, a rectangular coil is placed. No, A, B, C, D. So A, B, C, D armature or rectangular coil. Okay. Here one R is here, resistor. S1 and S2 slip rings. S1 and S2 slip rings. B1 and B2 carbon brushes. B1 this side, a small portion is there, no? B1 and B2 is a brushes. These two brushes connected in a resistor. Okay. So this is a diagram for AC generator. So after you draw, you should write the parts, label the parts. S1, S2 slip rings, B1, B2 carbon brushes, NS poles of the magnet, A, B, C, D, so armature or coil, rectangular coil, or is the resistor.